Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma. Jai Ma everyone. Today I'm making Gurer Ladoo. It's actually Bengali. They say Kaachaa Gola. It's Gurer Kaachaa Gola. So I'm trying to make that. Have a look. Okay, let's begin. First, switch on the flame. Put your pan. I'm taking a non-stick pan. Then what we have to do is grate 250 grams of paneer in this and add with the grater. And go on stirring. Mix it nicely. Go on stirring. On high flame. Now if it is 250 grams of paneer, you have to take 1/4 good jaggery, which you have to cut into thin strips. Cut it finely. First cook this properly. It is on high flame. Once this is done, once you go on stirring, okay, don't leave it. Then we have to add gur. It should not become dry. Now put it on high flame and stir. Once it is on high flame, then add the gur, the jaggery, and now mix quickly. Let the jaggery melt into the paneer. Once it melts, then I will come back. Now the jaggery has melted. So take 2 or 3, switch off the flame. Mix this and then put 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk powder and mix. A spoon. I feel the powder is less, so I'm going to add more because we have to make ladoos. And mix. And then immediately take it out in a cool plate. from the heat, we have to remove it. Remove it from the heat and mix. Now we have to wait for it to become slightly cool so that we are able to make the ladoos. We have to wait. It's very hot right now, so we won't be able to make the ladoos. So when it cools a little bit, I'll come back. See, I'm making the ladoos. It's still hot, but you have to do it because if it cools down, it won't set. So make the ladoos like this in your hand. It's hot. And on it, I'll sprinkle milk powder once it is done. See, these are all the Kaachaa Golas that are ready. They are still little hot. So when they set, then you will actually see what it looks like, you know. You have to give it time to set. And I like it ravedar like this, you know, with the goli. I like it that way. I like that crunch, you know. So these are the ladoos that I have made. Is Gurer Kaachaa Gola, which Bengalis eat a lot. Yummy. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma. I'll show you at close quarter. See.